Okay, hello. Welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. Today, let's talk about gonna, wanna, and have to. These English slang words. So gonna is going to. It's going to, gonna combined together. Wanna, want to. Together, I wanna do this, I wanna do that. Have to, have to. I have to do this, I have to do that. So gonna, it's the same as going to, the same rules apply. I am gonna do this, I am gonna teach it, I'm gonna teach English. Future tense, I'm gonna be at the party tomorrow. I am going to go to the gym. I'm gonna buy water. She is gonna teach later on. He is gonna talk to her. It is gonna open. So it's interchangeable with going to. I'm gonna go to the party. They are gonna go to the party as well. They are going to be there. They are going to be there. They are gonna be there. So gonna can be used with different pronouns. I, she, he, it, they. But wanna is only really with they and I. I wanna teach more lessons. I wanna record. They wanna be there with me. They wanna watch. She wanna, not really. She wants. He wants. She wants to learn to drive. He wants to go to the park. We don't say wanna with she or he. Doesn't make sense. Those pronouns don't work. They wanna go with me to the mountain. Makes sense. I wanna go with her to the mountain. Makes sense. Not with I want to go with she. That doesn't work. I want to go with her. I want to talk to them all. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to them. Yeah. And have to. Have to. I have to go to the gym. They have to come here tonight. But he and she, it's has to. There's no he have to. It's he has to. He has to come here. He has to come here. She has to go there. It has to. It has to. It has to be opened first. Future tense. Future tense. Future tense. Future tense. I am going to the office. I am gonna go to the office. I wanna go to the cinema. I have to go to the park. I have to. I am going to the park. Yeah. I'm gonna go. It's not. Yeah. It's future tense. Future tense. There's no past tense here. I have. I had to go. I had to be there. I wanted to be at the park. I went to the park. I'm going to. I went to the park. Went. Very good. Had and wanted. Very good. Yeah. So I have to record this video. I am gonna go exercise. I'm probably gonna go to the gym. I wanna record more videos. How cool is that? Yeah, nice and straightforward. Very good. And we can use most verbs with these as well. Open, close, sell, talk, teach, run, jump, climb. The verb is fine in all of them. She has to climb. I want to climb. I want to climb. It is going to climb. He is gonna climb. Cool. So, if you wanna keep learning English, then subscribe to the channel below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.